Welcome to Unboxing Haven. Today we're going to unbox new MSI GS66 Stealth 10SF-005, and this is a creator laptop which was released in the market on October 2020. So enjoy the unboxing, then we'll get to the specs. Okay, so the color of the laptop is core black and it is sleek and stylish design. So the screen is 240 hertz, 15.6 inches, and the thin bezels on the screen is a anti-glare wide angle. And it comes with a silky glass big mouse pad, which is a plus point for this unit. On the left hand side, we have an air vent, a power plug, HDMI Sport 4K 60 Hz, one Thunderbolt 3 PD charger, and a one USB 3.2 Gen 2. On the right side, we have a one audio mic combo, one USB 3.2, two USB 3.2 Gen 2s, and a killer lane Ethernet port with Wi-Fi 6. And this does come with the Dynaudio dual wave speaker with Hammock 3 software, which can use to boost the audio and the voice performance of your gaming, so you can enjoy the 7.1 virtual surround sound. Okay, so the laptop is built quality is good, and the keys are well constructed, and the chassis is not like other laptops, like a weak chassis. It's really robust, and the speakers chassis is pretty cool too. I mean, I tried to press it hard, it didn't work. It does come with a RGB color lit keyboard, which you can change from by pressing a key, or you can just change it with the software that it comes with it. And also this MSI laptop features a turbo boost technology for the fan, so you can turn the fan on really high speed, which sounds like this. Now when you're playing a game, I think this is the automatically it kicks in, but the sound is really loud. But if you're wearing earphones, you got nothing to worry about. The laptop does not overheat while you are playing games or watching a video or a movie. The fan kicks in when it thinks that it's overheating. All the vents on the sides help a lot with the heat, so you have nothing to worry about. Okay, for audio, it has a good audio speakers, but when they're on the max volume, they're not that great. So to use it, you have to use the software in order to, get that sound quality you need. Now I have tested some gaming on this one on a 24 Hz screen. It's pretty good. I got pretty good results with the frame rate. Now this is the, I believe 3D Mark, which I tested, and I probably got a frames of like around 200 frames per second, which is okay, I guess. I mean, it's a laptop. What do you expect, right? All right, so the 3D Mark came around 6,644, and with the benchmark on Heaven benchmark, we got about 2854 score. All right, so I tested this on balanced power with rendering. It rendered a 4K clip in 26 minutes. And on ultimate power, it renders a 1080 in 7 minutes. And I also tested the ultra. All the settings were ultra for Doom, and the game was so smooth. And I got probably around 40 frames per second. So if you're a gamer, you're gonna love this laptop. But playing at 240 Hz, you can get some quality gaming. So there were no lags or jitters in the game like some games have if they're played on high quality. But the processor in this laptop can handle it, anything. And with the 16 GB of RAM, you have nothing to worry about. I think 16 GB is a sweet spot for gaming and content creator. So presumably, if you're looking for a laptop, it's about $1,800 at Best Buy. You can purchase it. I recommended this one, but there are pros and cons to it. So basically, this loudspeaker is the only one. Thanks for watching.